We are Loughborough Space, a student-run organisation that allows you to explore your passion for space. We offer a range of activities from astronomy evenings and social events to space mission research and lectures from industry experts and leading hobbyists. But there is only so much one can learn in lecture halls and libraries. As a result, we've made our projects the cornerstone of our organisation, namely Project Chimera. Project Chimera is a hybrid rocket engine development program where we provide students with practical experiences in solving challenges while stretching their knowledge and creativity. The end result is that we make things go boom safely. Since 2017, we've been building small-scale test engines. As time has gone on, we've made changes to the fuel, oxidizer, design, and support architecture. Year on year, our engines and testing operations have become simpler, smarter, and safer. Our current design, the Chimera Mark II, will be our biggest engine yet and is set to be fired in October 2020 from the Midlands Rocketry Club. Along with engine design, we have spent a lot of time on developing small rockets. As part of the UK SED's rocketry competition, our entry, the Big Oof, won third prize in our first year of competing. It features a number of structural and electrical developments that will help us on our future rocket, Beacon. Named after Loughborough's very own Beacon Hill, Beacon is the culmination of years of engine and rocket development. Beacon will launch in summer of 2021, where its mission will be to carry a 2-kilogram payload to 20,000 feet. It will set the groundwork for even greater projects we have planned out over the next few years. We believe space is for everyone, and we need your help to make this happen. No matter your degree or field of interest, there is space for you at Loughborough Space. During your time at university, you can be part of our mission to launch out into the forefront of the UK space industry, and you'll be part of a larger family that is dedicated to making space for everyone. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Loughborough Space, or go to our website, loughborough.space. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon.